Hi guys, today we're here with Jason Reyes at Monaco Salon. He's going to be sharing cutting techniques with the team.
For us at John Paul Mitchell System, we pride ourselves on great education. So part of that is providing to you guys step-by-step process that will help you become a lot more successful as a hairdresser in the salon. We work with 1 minute haircut. With that male haircut, we did a fade. We started working with a little bit more of texturizing, also working on product selection for your guests, so that way there's better recommendations for you guys. And then we work with the longer bob. With that, we see it trending through social media, through all the different channels. So we want to have a slightly different approach as we are working with that. So hope you guys enjoyed, and this is part of what we're going to share with you guys. So thank you guys for attending. We had a blast. Everyone learned so much. We shared a little bit about Maverick. We talked about our Neuro tools, Neuro Liquid. We can't wait to see you again. Thank you.